Hello everyone, this is Jared playing Oxygen Not Included. In the last episode, I put together this Sleet wheat system here, which has been good. Actually, maybe I'll back out of that plan. I'm just going to allow this system to dump water into this and fill these two tiles up. So it's going to take a bit of time. Oh, we're just starting to see the top tile be filled up right there, splashing up. So that's almost completely full. So we're halfway there. But we want to have an area to grow pinch of pepper plants. I think we need about 3 of them. So much less than the sleet wheat, which is nice. So we'll grow, I'll put in a spot for 4. And if I only grow 3, then it's not going to be an issue. I will insulate this. And this is going to have a spot accessible above it where I'm going to keep this warm. Because pinch of plants need to be warm, or sleet wheat needs to be cold. What is in this? Let's go around. Try, hopefully this will be good distance, but we'll do this right here. We'll add some insulation here and here as well. This is going to be a storage container for polluted water. It's going to be very similar to the sleet wheat system. Let's get some aluminum. Request it because I'm short aluminum. Don't have to use aluminum. But let's make 33 pieces of that. That's going to be heating up this area, which is decent because it's 10 degrees. It can take a little bit more heat. But the plants are going to be growing here. We're going to need a farm. We'll do that right next to it. Oh yeah, automation. Okay, I'm gonna hold on. Let's push this back just so I have room for automation. Single tile to the left should do. So this is going to be what was a farm station right here. We'll put in the automation last, but just need to make sure I have room for it. Don't want to forget about that. Oh, I also want to have this pushed over one by one because I want to have some liquid here. Make this out of granite here and here. I'm going to have liquid tempedizer. Oh, I can see this is going to have to be bigger actually. Because I need both a liquid tempedizer, but I also need a temperature measurement. Thermosensor, let's make that. Steel's probably excessive. Gold's kind of... We get more gold, so we'll make it out of gold. Oh, fancy. So now I need a utility that's going to be the liquid tempedizer. Let's make that a gold amalgam. Yeah, that works. We're going to have automations. We want to control how hot this gets. Just like that. That's definitely going to have heavy watt wire going into it. Wondering if I should have actually pushed this back a little bit further. So we got the 4 plants, or 3 plants that'll grow anyways. Ability to heat this up. Let's put a second tile right. Yes, I know water is getting low. Let's make that 10. It's a little disruptive that it pulls you away, but I like that personally. Otherwise, if I hear a noise, sometimes I tend to just ignore it. But if the screen pulls me to what's going on, I tend to take it a little more seriously. Let's just say. So I'm going to have this guy here. this zone is going to get warm itself. So it would be a good idea to insulate the top portion as well. Just like this. Actually, maybe I'll even go like this. I think we can now seal this like that. Actually, hold on. I don't know the type of gas the plants need. So let's wait till I confirm that first. Let's check over here. We have 2 tiles of water. This bottom one is only filled up about 10%. I don't see much carbon dioxide making its way in here. There's not much carbon dioxide in the world in general. This may be a reason. I haven't burned much coal over here. I could build a coal power plant. That's going to generate some carbon dioxide. How is the hydrogen situation? Hydrogen situation is getting a little low. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enable this back. So this is going to increase the efficiency of the hydrogen generators. Okay, let's go here, and if I can find the plant that I want to plant here. Hey, yes, beginning of the cycle. Pepper, pinch a pepper plant. I'm trying to find out what gas it can grow in. Effects, maximum temperature, air pressure. It just says air pressure, so I'm thinking anything. So I'm guessing natural gas is going to be fine for it. So this is going to have a shut off for the input, because this is going to work the same way. I don't want it to be overfilled. Put that right there. We'll have a radiant pipe of aluminum that goes across here and across here. Can we disable this? Yeah, we can do that. Just don't pause or zoom. I gotta remember to enable this in the future though. But right now I'm kind of expecting and okay with the idea that we're running out of water. Just because I know 2 of these are running. You know what? Temporarily, let's just add another one. That's going to be another power consumption. But I did make the hydrogen generators. They're now getting optimized. Not forget heavy watt wire. Okay, so in here, I'm going to have this connect to this guy here. And I'll actually verify now the settings. Let's put in 50-50. Whoops. And if this is working right, that means that this thing needs water because it's below 50%, so I should be getting a green signal. Yep, we are. So this is, I don't need a NOT gate. I'm going to copy the setting here. And we'll apply it over there. And this is going to be for polluted dirt, water, polluted water. So we'll have a polluted water line that's going to make its way down. Shouldn't be too difficult. This is no longer used, so I'm just, whoa. Gonna click on that liquid bridge, destroy it. It's insulated, doesn't really have to be. It's gonna connect it there, and we will connect it here. I have to be a little cautious because I'm making the assumption that this is just polluted water, which it is at the moment. Making the same assumption over here. That's something I'm going to have to change at some point. But I'm just going to live on the edge a little bit and just leave it be. But some basic filtering may be needed at some point. Okay. Could plant stuff now, but I'm not really in need of doing that at the moment. Oh, no, don't need that. I just need to have insulation kind of like this. Because it's going to be nice and toasty in here. Let's actually choose the temperature for that. Let's say 50 degrees. If it's below 50, then I want you to let the liquid temperizer to run. Oh, right. We're going to need some water in here. Let's do that. Well, if that's the case, let's temporarily cut this off and connect water with this. And don't have that sent in here. It's not at the moment. That's fine. That's good. We'll dump water here. So we're going to need a door. How are we doing over here? We're about a quarter of the way on the final tile. So we'll keep going. Let's just check to see if that third desalinator is running. Oh, whoa. What's happened here? Did I cut something that I did not intend to? Slow things down. What is going on? Oh, the metal when the metal refinery runs, it's consuming liquid in priority. That's what's happening. Well, we have all our aluminum. I'm going to tell the dupes that's enough. While I'm here, I'm just going to do a quick check to make sure our refrigeration area is good. Minus 30, that is fine. More data banks are needed. Okay, I'm glad to see that. Let's go inside this rocket. We've got food. We've got algae. We want to send that up. So coffee, I believe, is the dupe that's working on that. Can create more data banks for us. Low in carbon dioxide. I wasn't really expecting that to be the case, but here we are. Let's crew this. Destination is, we're not going far. And you can begin the launch sequence. You don't have a mask on. I am impressed. Ah. Enable that building. Oh, not just that. I need to check if anyone's wearing gas masks just walking around now. Oh, great. These can all go. I no longer need, though they should be using the tubes. I'll destroy this as well. Actually, that would be good for the fire pole purposes. Oh, if I can get that selected. It'd be nice if there was an overlay that showed gas masks. Let's check the bed. No one's wearing gas masks there. I think we're okay. Generally, they should be using the tubes. Oh, can't actually get there. And we need some wire, heavy watt wire. Needs to be connected to that. Add a little bit more insulation. Whoops, whoa, 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 whoa. Making progress. Don't need this to be completely filled with liquid. To be honest, even halfway is probably going to be enough, so I'm going to shut this off soon. Liquid tempedizer, because I'd rather have the water start to flow in on this side instead. That can't happen with this liquid bridge. New printable, what could we get today? Oxalite. So 3 of these running. It's definitely, this has had a huge drain on our water system. Natural gas is just everywhere. Oh yeah, of course these are not operating because I removed the dupe from the other world. Now, dupes don't have a lot to do. Just wondering what could be built next around this area. So this is going to be the Pluto. I won't connect this just yet. This is going to connect into here. It's going to go in a circuit round and round. We need water to be filled up first. Close to being 500 kilograms. So I'm going to let that go until that is achieved. Now we have to think about what we... Oh, a long time ago, meant to put sleet wheat in you. Hopefully we didn't lose our sleet wheat. Cooking ingredient, sleet wheat, high priority. If I put it in here, I know it's not going to go bad. Create that tile. Hopefully I'm going to see some dupes bring some in for us, please. Because we had sleet wheat here, but it may have gone bad because it's not in a spot where it could be preserved. 18. It's stale, 3%. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, and it's currently 6 degrees, so it's we're losing it by its normal atmosphere. Oh, it doesn't like natural gas, huh? Oh, really? Nuts. What can I do? What can I do? We need to dig down. We need to dig down quick. Oh, carbon dioxide's in liquid form down here. That could be why I don't have a lot of carbon dioxide, because it's all liquid form somewhere. Okay, I know what to do. I have a spot where I currently have food stored. So let's not store it here. Give up on this. It was a good idea, but natural gas is not working out. I want to put it here, but I want an auto sweeper to deliver it. Or technically I could get this auto sweeper to deliver it as well, because it has access to that. Okay, so this is what it'll do. Ration box. We gotta move quick. It is very low. It's about to go bad. Pinch of peppers. What about that? Oh, those are seeds. They're not going to go bad, so we don't have to worry about that. Sleet wheat is a type of seed that actually goes bad, which isn't typical type of thing. So high priority dupes. High priority. Let's get it in there. Are some of these pips escaping from up here? I can't quite tell. I'm going to put a tile right there. Whoa, what, oh. More eggs needed. Yeah, okay. Excellent. That is something. Oh, okay. Yeah, you can stop. You can stop. If there's less than 2 now, you can tell me. So I have 15 here. Okay. I'm going to have to disable this. Pausing and zooming. Oh, my pause button. There we go. Sleet wheat should be on its way in here So we got 2 things to do in this area, apparently. We got our eggs, that's 4 of them. It's just a mess. I bet we need to wrangle pips too, so maybe there's 3 things. I don't even need to check. There's 6. No, this one's fine. Actually, that one's fine. 5. One's missing. Maybe not as much as missing as I thought. We just need the 1. But I can't see this storage bin. Does not have the sleet wheat. There it is. 18 pieces of sleet wheat. I'm going to knock that on the ground. I'm going to tell this thing I want you to pick up sleet wheat cooking ingredient. Sleet wheat. That is going to put it through here. And that's going to dump it in my fridge area. Let's just have a look at it. Sleet wheat, sleet wheat, sleet wheat. What happened there? Oh, missed it. Sleet wheat. Currently in a sterile environment, which is good. And it's in a deep freeze. It's already frozen. 3%. I don't know what I would have done if I didn't catch that. I would have had to go into a different asteroid to get my sleet wheat. Here I am putting all this preparation in, and that could have completely been undone. Oh my goodness. I think that is going to be it for this episode. A little bit stressed, but happy that I preserved my sleet wheat. I still have to get it into here. I don't want to plant it here until it's cold enough. Anyway, that's something to remember. In the next episode, last thing I'll do is I'm going to start to send water over here. I'm going to have to keep an eye on this, though, so I don't overfill it. Well, I'm feeling very lucky that I caught that. And thank you for liking the videos, watching, and hopefully I will see you in a future episode where we'll get the appropriate temperatures for this and possibly even plant some seeds to grow some more advanced stuff to be able to eat. And I'll need to cook that with natural gas. Well, that's not going to be a problem. Lots of natural gas just kicking around. So I will see you later.